Welcome friends, this is Professor Kadir Shaikh. Today we will see one problem related to strike and dip of a plane. So I am reading the question. Complete the top view of plane PQR such that its strike is south 40 west and dip is 36 degree northwesterly. So here in the question, the front view of triangle PQR is already printed, while only end R, its top is printed. Now we'll find out this top view with the help of the given data, that is strike and dip. So let us start by drawing the strike line. So draw a longest possible horizontal line through RF. We will get MF. Project it down. Now the given strike is south 40 west. So measure the directions with respect to R and measure 40 degree angle with respect to south and draw one line. Now this is the strike line, and here we will get the top view of end M, that is MH, and the true length of this strike line. So this is how we have used the strike. Now let us draw the dip. So extend this strike line further, draw perpendicular to it x1, y1. Now measure the distances of MF and RF from xy and cut it from x1, y1. We will get point view of RM, that is the strike line. Now the dip direction is northwest, so draw one direction northwest perpendicular to the strike line. Remember, this arrow is perpendicular to strike line, which is the dip direction, northwest. Now the dip point will be obviously along this direction, so measuring the 36 degree angle theta or the edge view. Now through R1, M1, draw one line parallel to x1, y1. Now measure the angle 36 degree above the R1 so that we will get the dip point in northwest direction. Draw this 36 degree line. Now measure the distance of PF. Measure the distance of PF and cut it here because we don't know exact location of P1 here. So draw one locus for P1. Now this locus of P1 will cut this 36 degree line here at point P1. In the similar way, measure the distance of QF, draw its locus. Now this locus of end Q will cut the 36 degree line at the point Q1. Now join R1, Q1, P1. Now this is the edge view. Now the inclination of this edge view is called as the dip angle, and obviously it will be 36 degree. This opposite angle of this edge view with x1, y1 will be obviously 36 degree. And the dip point P1 will be the dip point. Now take the projection of P1 in opposite direction. Take the projection of PF, both will cut at PH. In the similar way, take the projection of Q1 and take the projection of QF and project of Q1 will meet at QH. Now we got all 3 points, that is PH, QH and RH of the triangle in top view. So join PH to QH, QH to RH and RH to PH. This is the top view of this triangle. So this is how we can solve if one view is incomplete, if the strike and dip of that plane is given. Thanks for your patience listening.